AI tools to make money. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.ai. On the homepage, click on Features and select the AI Video Generator. This tool allows you to turn still images into dynamic looped animations with just a prompt. At the top left of the screen, choose the model you want to use. In this example, I'm using the anime model. You can also customize the style, select the aspect ratio, and choose the number of frames or images you want to generate. Next, upload an image that you want to animate and enter a creative prompt. For example, anime character blinking with flowing hair, seamless loop. Once the animation is generated, click and download the result. Now, go to 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝘀, sign in or create an account, and click on Create a New Gig. Write a clear title, add a description of your animation service, set your pricing, and upload a sample of your work. And that's it. Your gig is now live.